Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make cheesy baby potato. For more quick and such delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So first, we will wash the baby potatoes and boil them in a pressure cooker with a teaspoon of salt. We will put the boiled baby potato in a bowl. Add oil and toss the baby potato in it. Now add chili flakes, garam masala, salt, crushed garlic, and you can add Schezuan sauce if you want. Mix it all so that the marination coats each potato. Now we'll grease a baking tray with oil. Flatten the potato using a glass like this. Repeat the process with all the potatoes one at a time. It's time to put the potatoes in the oven and bake them for 15 minutes at 200 degrees, or you can bake them in a pan too. After 15 minutes, you can have them as it is, or you can add mozzarella cheese on it. Top it with oregano. After 5 minutes, serve it hot with the dip of your choice. Voila! Cheesy baby potatoes are ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.